About 1,500 people work here at the start of the day. Half were in the mine at the time of the explosion. Now there are 300 to 400 of them. I work here. We've had small incidents before, but we've never had such a serious accident.
I came here early in the evening, around 8 or 8:30. I'm waiting for my uncle and my son.
This isn't something that suddenly happened. There are people who are dying, people who are injured, and it's all because of money. People are dying and there's nothing we can do about it. They send us here like lambs to the slaughter. We're not safe doing this job.